Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making baked bananas. For our baked bananas, I have, as you might expect, some bananas, and I'm going to put my banana in the middle of my cutting board, and with a paring knife I'm going to make a cut, not all the way through, but almost. I'm just going to slice because I want to open it up, separate it. That's what we're going to do with our bananas. I have a small bowl, and in it I have 1/3 of a cup of dulce de leche. I'm going to put this in the microwave just for about a minute so it's a little bit easier to spoon into the bananas. Our dulce de leche is spoonable. I'm just going to spoon a little into each banana. And then to the bananas I have some of our chopped chocolate right on top. I have some buttery waffle cookies, which I've broken up, and I'm just going to top the bananas with them, pushing down as I go. I've transferred our bananas to a baking pan, and just to make it even more flavorful, I'm just going to dot the top with a little bit of butter, and this is ready to bake. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees until it's all melty, all bubbly, and heated through. I have one of our baked bananas. Let's open it up a little and see inside. Ooh, melted chocolate and dulce de leche. Let's give it a taste. Chocolatey, dulce de leche-y, ooh, and banana-y. Like that crisp, buttery crust on top. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make baked bananas. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.